What's up guys, Jamie here. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me in today's video, and if this is the first time on the channel, welcome. My name's Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. Little caveat, it's not really a flashy whiz-bang jump cut type channel. I have tried that in the past and I felt more natural by just talking about my 9+ years of affiliate marketing. So if that's of interest, I'd love to have you guys stick around. If not, completely cool. There's probably some more videos out there for you guys. So anyway, with all that being said, what I'm talking about today is something that is a little bit controversial. It's probably going to piss off a few people, and for that I make no apologies, because I'm going to paint a little bit of a picture for you guys, and I say this because I've been down that path myself. I was looking for the shortcuts and all that sort of stuff. And so what I'm talking about today is the whole argument of done for you versus actually creating something yourself. And so, look, don't get me wrong, some done for you stuff is actually pretty cool. I get that. And if you already know what you're doing to a certain extent, then maybe it can help your business. But I think a lot of newbies, they fall into this trap of, I don't want to go through the process of learning. I don't want to create funnels. I don't want to create emails. I don't really care about email marketing or autoresponders or anything like that. And like, it would be great just to learn how to get the ads and get all the traffic, and then just make money off it and not have to bother about that whole yucky learning thing. And so here's the flaw in that thinking, and don't get me wrong, I kind of say this tongue in cheek because it's something I actually tried to go down that path by buying all the done for you stuff when I first got started online, because I was aiming for a shortcut. Like, let's be honest, that's what we're doing, that's why we do that, right? And so anyway, to talk about the story really quickly, I bought a whole bunch of blogs when I got started in 2011, spent months trying to get them working, and then I eventually discovered that the blogs that I'd purchased were one of 300 that had been sold online, and so it was all duplicate content. So of course, me expecting my blog to rank, Google had no reason for it to rank, because it was like model number 300 of the exact same copy of the exact same whatever. The only difference was my domain name, right? So anyway, it was a short-term game plan, but I learned a very valuable lesson from that, and that is, if you're aiming for those shortcuts, some of them work really well, but end of the day, it's more important to go through that rigmarole of learning branding, of learning sales, of learning marketing from a fundamental basis. Because if you don't, what happens when all that done for you stuff stops working? And let's be honest, the done for you probably doesn't work that often anyway, but when it does, what happens when it stops working? Are you going to know how to fix your ads? Are you going to know how to tweak your funnels? Are you going to know how to split test your email opens and your click-throughs and all that sort of stuff? Maybe, but probably not. Maybe for the experienced guys, yeah, sure, you might be going, okay, well, I know how to do that. Well, good for you. But for the newbies, unfortunately, we all get attracted to that because it appeals to our inherent kind of inner laziness, which is like, if I could, buy my way into it quickly versus if I have to work and learn all this stuff, it's two different schools of thought. So anyway, the big takeaway is you got to put the time and effort into actually learning that stuff, because like right now for my business, it really is just 4 components. I've discussed this many times, and this is something that we cover in depth in the Super Affiliate Accelerator if you want to check that out. It's getting some amazing results for our students. But the 4 steps, quite literally, you put out content, or I put out content, I engage with other users on whatever platform, I reach out to them and say hello, have a conversation, don't try and pitch them anything, ironically. And the last part is, I've got a diagnostic process that I can take people through, and I obviously have a bunch of products that I think may help a whole bunch of people that are willing to take action on them. So that's my whole process. Now, here's the crazy thing. If all my funnels disappeared, if all my YouTube disappeared, which it already has, this is actually my 2nd channel, if all that disappeared, if I had no email list, which I don't have an email list, to be honest, it's like 100 people, not exactly huge. If all that stuff disappeared, what would I be left with? Well, in my case, I'd be left with 9+ years of sales, marketing, branding experience, but I don't need all that stuff to make my business operate. And once you get a core understanding of those fundamentals, all that other crap doesn't matter. It's just tactics. It's just something that is aiming to help your core business process, right? So that's why I'm a big advocate for not going down the done for you route. as attractive as it is, I get it. Like I say, and I'm not trying to sound hypocritical here, I just speak from my own experience, especially when it came to, failing at the done for you stuff. You might as well fail at learning the stuff you're doing anyway, right? The actual stuff that's going to help your business, rather than, failing at a done for you thing where you're still left with nothing at the end of it if it doesn't transpire, right? So anyway, that's it. A little bit of a rant today. I appreciate you guys tuning in. And yeah, like I say, if you're interested in ramping up your business, you know where to find me. Also, just click that link, check it out, and look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Cheers.